Now I would like to call Darshita Trivedi on the stage.
Good morning. Good morning, children. My name is Darshita Trivedi. Autumn is a cool season. In this season, fall leaves from the trees. Autumn is very nice. We are enjoy autumn. Thank you.
Very good, Darshita. Now we are going to.
કોને ના ભાઈ ના મારું તો ફૂલ પેટ છે અરે ફૂલ ત્યાં મોટા જમણવાળો એમાં ખાલી પેટ છે